yesterday. Not sure how well this is coming in, but I got a shit ton of water in here from these leaky ass Northland Buildings windows. I've said this before in other videos, but these things have leaked since the building was new. They were building another building down the road. I'll show you that someday. Our neighbor's building, and I talked to the guy and he said he would send somebody over to re-caulk it, but caulking is not the problem. They're just put on wrong. They suck. So that's another project. I gotta get these windows fixed. You could see the rot. You could see a ton of rot on that girt down there. So I gotta put a little like a little roof over the top of it, and something to plug up the sides and get it caulked up. I'll just screw right into the framework, screw right through the tin into the framework, just like you do with the tin itself, with a neoprene washer, head screws, or whatever. It'll be made out of wood, so I'll just countersink the screws and putty over them. So there's another project for you.